at least 2 members of the Black Lives Matter movement is being named in a lawsuit over which an incident where at least one particular police officer was injured. A wounded officer's lawsuit in federal court in Louisiana alleges that Black Lives Matter and several of its leaders are responsible for an ambush that took place last year in Baton Rouge. Now, on July 17, 2016, a gunman, Gavin Long, killed 2 police officers and a sheriff's deputy and ended up wounding 2 deputies and another officer. Now, lawyers for one of the wounded officers filed the complaint on Friday in a U.S. District Court in the Middle District of Louisiana against various arms of the Black Lives Matter movement and its leaders, including Delray McKesson and Janetta Elzie. Now, essentially, what this lawsuit alleges is that the Black Lives Matter movement instigated people into violence, that as a result of their speaking out against police killings, that they are responsible for this guy going out and shooting up police officers. Now, that's their claim, that it's an incitement to violence kind of thing, that they're responsible for inciting this kind of retaliation against the police for the killings that they have been carried out. Now, the person who was named in the lawsuit is only recognized as Officer John Doe Smith, and he is apparently 42. He has 2 children. He's permanently disabled as a result of the numerous injuries that he suffered inside the bush. Now, Smith says in the complaint that he was shot through the abdomen, the left shoulder, and the left side of his head, and the shot to his abdomen tore up his intestines, requiring 16 surgeries and causing reoccurring infections. Medical staff, as they say, must attend to these wounds daily. Now, obviously, we could see how they would think that Black Lives Matter is responsible for this. I mean, people would speak out against such a terrible inhumanity that's being carried out against the African-American population, and then somebody gets really angry about it and goes out and does something like this. I mean, you won't find an official statement by Black Lives Matter saying to go out and kill police officers. I'm sure that if you look hard enough, you'll find a bunch of lunatic fringe parts of the organization, specific members who would say something like that, but it's not an official part of the Black Lives Matter. Of course, this is reducible to the idea that only if Black Lives Matter spoke against the abuses by police would somebody want to go ahead and do this. I mean, at no point would someone who has suffered police oppression want to go out and do something about it. I mean, this is an anger-filled reaction to a very real abuse that's being carried out by people. But, of course, according to this guy, the only reason anybody could be mad about it is because Black Lives Matter has been highly critical of it. Thank you for watching. If you like this program, then please head over to my Patreon page and set up a monthly donation. It's your donations that keep this program running. Also, if you would like, please rate, comment, subscribe, and share in various social media.